Hello, I'm Marcus and I'm thrilled to introduce you a revolutionary way of learning German. Welcome to Marcus Language Academy, where I've created a German course for beginners like no other. Picture this, a self-study course that takes you from 0 to an A2 level. And the key to our success? Meet Leo. In each lesson, we unveil more about Leo's life, with every sentence complemented by vibrant images. Colors illuminate grammar, making it not just a language, but a visual experience. And it's all spoken by native speakers, to ensure you get the right pronunciation from the start.
Ich bin Leo. Ich bin 20 Jahre alt. Und ich komme aus Spanien.
But that's not all. You get a comprehensive grammar book, your roadmap to an A2 level, ensuring you grasp the language with confidence. And the question-answer technique, a cornerstone of my method, ensures repetition, the key to mastering any language. You'll follow the engaging conversations between Leo and the girl, making learning dynamic and interactive.
Wer bin ich?
Leo, du bist Leo.
Wie alt bin ich?
20. Du bist 20 Jahre alt.
Woher komme ich?
Aus Spanien. Du kommst aus Spanien.
To actively practice, reintroduce Quizlet, a digital flashcard trainer, helping you reinforce vocabulary and content at your own pace.
Wer bin ich? Leo, du bist Leo.
Correct.
Wie alt bin ich? 20. Du bist 20 Jahre alt.
Correct.
Woher komme ich? Aus Spanien. Du kommst aus Spanien. Also correct.
And what's a lesson without a visually explained grammar video? I break down complex topics, making learning easy and enjoyable. But wait, there's more. Each lesson includes an extra vocabulary topic, giving you all the words you need to reach an A2 level. And you end each lesson with an entertaining quiz to measure your progress. And after 5 lessons, get ready for the challenge, a test of speed and fluency. The challenge is all about telling the story fluently, preparing you with my shadowing technique. Ich bin Leo. Ich bin Leo. And you can actively practice using Quizlet.
Ich bin Leo. Ich bin 20 Jahre alt. Ich komme aus Spanien.
As a bonus, after lesson 1, book a 30-minute video lesson with me. Let's discuss your goals, answer questions and maybe even practice the first lesson together. But don't just take my word for it. Hear what my students have to say.
Hi, my name is Mike Spradlin, and I live in Memphis, Tennessee in the USA. And so I highly recommend this course. The approach is very unique in some ways. It really focuses more on building confidence and conversation, not just trying to memorize a lot of grammatical rules and principles. And I found it to be an outstanding course and really well taught.
Hello everyone, my name is Nassim Amelou. I come from Algeria. He's been a great teacher. It's really learning by having fun, which is quite different from the traditional way of learning a new language, which can be sometimes boring. Again, for me, I really recommend the Marcus Language Academy and his quite innovative way to teach a new language.
Thousands have achieved their goal with my course, and I'm so confident that you love it that the first 2 lessons are entirely free, and I offer a 15-day money-back guarantee. So whether you are learning for a better job, to travel, study abroad, or start a new life, Marcus Language Academy has the world's best course to make it happen. So don't miss out on your opportunity to learn German in record time. Visit marcuslanguageacademy.com and start your journey today.